Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect a device to TCL Linkhub using WPS. So first, we need to locate the WPS button. Whenever you rotate your router, it'll be right here, the second one from the left. And all you have to do is just press and hold it. So keep on holding it. Once the lights start blinking, so we are waiting for them to start blinking, and it might take a second, so I'm just keep on clicking it, and soon they should start blinking. As you guys can see, now I've waited and it was blinking. Now it's gone. So now after it's gone, you should be able to just connect to your network. So here I have my phone. Also, we got our internet. It should appear soon once the Wi-Fi turns back on. So now all we do is just wait, and we should be able to connect. As you guys can see, it's back, and we should be able to connect to our network. So now we're going to trigger the WPS on a phone, and we're gonna complete the pairing. So once we see the network, what we want to do is we simply want to enter the password that is on the back of the router right here, and this is the Wi-Fi key, not the password. And once we do that, we should be able to just connect. So as you guys can see, I've just entered the password. We are connected without internet access, which is weird because I know I have internet, and basically it's just my phone telling it to me. I know that I do have the internet on my PC, and that's basically it. So you just have to trigger it, and once you trigger it and hold the WPS button for at least 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, everything will be working. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.